Hi Cancer, welcome in. You're watching the Sacred Sun Tarot. This is my second channel, guys. Do subscribe this as well. Let's dive into your reading and see what's coming up for you. Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter. What's happening for you from 3rd to the 9th of October. 3rd to the 9th of October 2021. Let's start with this deck. Okay, nice. Cancer, watch out of what kind of people you're attracting towards you. I see gossip, I see chitty chatty energy. It's like sitting, eating and talking but not really doing anything fruitful. You might encounter this kind of company in your surroundings, so be watchful of where you're investing your time and money. I got that vibe, and here it is. Out of all the chitty chatty people in your surroundings, people who gossip and people who bring in information for you, there is a fox. So be watchful of whom you're trusting, whom you're listening to, and what inference you make out of that information. So wow, be watchful of a fox in your surroundings. Let's dive in and see what's coming up for Cancer. Okay, Cancer, I see you working in a group or you're working with a lot of people, right? Can be work-life situation, but I see that whatever you're working over, a lot of people have their eyes on you. You might feel a little uncomfortable also sometimes that why these people are watching me, why they're keeping all the information about me, why they are just trying to evaluate me all the time. I see little discomfort, and you might feel a little emotional also. It can be Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio like you, but you feel a little emotional also that why am I under the watch of these people all the time? These people are gossip queens. Okay, you feel like walking away. You have been through a phase in your life, Cancer, where you were investing in some situations, you were working over something and building something in your life, but I see you left something in between. You felt that this is probably not the direction I want to work in. You left it out and you walked away. Now you found something new here, right? I think you found a new project, you found a new job, you found a new person you want to work with, a romantic connection maybe, and I see you investing there. But the problem in this new circumstance or in this new situation is that a lot of people are interfering in your personal matters, and I think this is quite distractive and disturbing. Okay, you feel like walking away from here also, but I don't really see that you're making that effort or you're doing that right now. It's just a thought that should I leave it behind, should I just walk away, or should I keep on working? Now someone specific in your surroundings, you're dealing with a specific person, or this can be your love person or somebody you have your eyes on or you want to know about, who is an important personality or an important character in the situation. I see this person sees potential with you. This person feels that you can work over something together and then you can go a long way, right? This person somehow realizes that you are a little disappointed by the environment and you're not very happy with what is happening in your surroundings, but this person still feels that there is a long-term potential, and though things are moving slowly, and at the same time I see this person wants to work slowly. This person wants things to go slowly because they know what kind of surroundings you both are in right now. That's why they're taking things slow. But on the other hand, you feel disappointed, and rather they're not disappointed, they feel that there is potential, but we can be watchful of how we move forward. I also heard that this person has something to share with you, or at least they think that you have something to share with them, but things are not moving forward right now. Oh wow. Cancer, calm yourself down. See, I know that the atmosphere might be a little disturbing right now, but you don't know your worth. Cancer, you don't know your worth right now. What you're really capable of, what your real potential. Oh my god, I got goosebumps. The moment this card came out, I got goosebumps. Cancer, you don't know your real potential, guys. You are worth it. I see you creative, I see you hardworking, I see you capable of building an empire for yourself. If this is a work-life situation, I see growth, I see fertility, I see strong potential. And if this is love matter, you are coming out as somebody who is unchallengeable, unstoppable, and your caliber, I don't really see anybody can challenge. Can you see the people in your surroundings, and can you see yourself? I see that these people will do all kind of stuff to do something behind your behind your back. I see people sitting over coffee in the workshop, in the that coffee space, coffee area, and talking about you, gossiping about you, maybe even tarnish your image for a while. But you don't care, and you don't need to care, because you're the empress. You are not going to get affected by any of that thing, because for some of you, I also heard that you're very hardworking and you're doing your 100% in a situation, and you feel stuck because a particular boss or someone at the higher authority has to give you some project, and you're afraid that this person might give the project to somebody else because there's a lot of bitching and something going on in your surroundings. Don't worry, you are so capable and worthy. I see the people on the authority know what your true worth is, and don't get afraid and don't get disappointed by what other people are saying in the surroundings. Also, I heard that if this is a love matter, you're interested in somebody and you want to make a proposal to somebody, or you want somebody to come in and make a proposal to you, I feel that this person sees your worth. They know that you are capable and you will be the best pick. So no matter what other people say or do behind your back, nobody can challenge your authority, Cancer. Do not let these small influences take over you. My God, this is such a beautiful energy, and I loved it. What is this Knight of Pentacles? Moon. I see this person is a little disappointed about the back bitching. For some of you, I'm picking up that either they are being brainwashed about you, or this person is afraid that you will be brainwashed about them. I see there's some kind of communication gap between you both. Can be boss and you, can be manager and you, or simply your partner and you, right? Whosoever this important person is, they feel disappointed because they want you to come up and talk to them. They want you to come up and ask them out, or make the proposal, make the offer, or whatever it is. But you are so distracted and you feel like walking away, and this person is very disappointed about that fact. Judgment, it's not dying. If you're not talking, I think they will, but it's not going to die. It's a big potential. You're working in a team, you're working in a group, and maybe that's why you feel that a lot of people are trying to make a mess out of it. Knight of Swords. I see things are going to face up very soon, and it's going to be in your favor, Cancer. Don't worry at all. Page of Pentacles. And if you want conversation, I see the conversation will be coming in from a Libra or a Taurus. And on the other way around, if you want to talk to somebody, level up and do that, because I think this person is waiting for your conversation and they're very disappointed that till now they haven't heard from you, right? So anyway, I see you are feeling distracted and you feel like walking away, but this person is very disappointed and they want your conversation. My God, this is such a beautiful movement forward. I see conversation, I see proposal, I see the message you're reading on to will be coming in. Have patience and let it flow. The Page of Swords and the Seven of Wands. My God, I see a team effort here. Chariot, can you see this, Cancer? Wow, I see a team effort. So once you both join hands, once you both come in that partnership with each other, you will have a fighting spirit. I see this person pushing away all the kind of negative messages being delivered to them by other people. I see they're blocking all of them. There are a lot of people who are giving nasty comments or backbiting or whatever you call it, opposite opinions to this person against you, but they are just blocking all those messages because at heart they know your worth. They know what potential you bring to the company, what potential you bring to the connection, or what potential you bring in their life. They know that and they're standing for it. My God. And at the same time, I see you skeptical. You're keeping the information. You might not be at a stage where you are fighting against the people, you're coming in the public's eye or telling what's happening here, but you're very skeptical, you're keeping yourself updated, you're getting the information. This is spying also, and you're cutting out some cards. The people who try to spy on you, the people who try to get your information, you're carrying a sword and you're cutting them out. Page of Swords shows me that you're gathering the information, and the moment you both start working in a team, the moment you start developing that bond that we are together and I don't care what other people think, I see unity rising here. And the moment that happens, you both are going to play your personal roles, and I see this person fighting for you, Cancer. This is such an amazing reading. Wow, let's have an advice for you. And I see that you're heavily on that person's mind. Moon is the Cancer card. Moon is your ruler. And I see that Moon was in Cancer for some time recently. I see it's still in Cancer, I guess. So you are dominating on their mind. They're just thinking about you and they don't care about the back bitching. You and your loved ones are safe. See, that strong spirit to fight against the odds, that strong spirit to cut the people out who don't deserve to stay in your environment and fight for each other, is something that is going to keep you and your loved one safe. And this person is your loved one, or this person is your partner, somebody you care for. I think they and you both are safe. You don't need to worry about whatever this environment is, right? You don't need to dip your hands into this dirt and feel nasty about it, right? So what you need to release, Cancer, I see waning moon. It's coming down. You need to bring some negative emotions down. You need to bring all the negative thoughts down. I see you were disappointed and you felt that I need to walk away from something. I will have to leave this investment. No, you won't. You just have to let go of these negative thoughts and negative emotions that these people are trying to put into your mind, and be forceful and come back. You have the fighting spirit, your person has the fighting spirit, and you both are going to make it. And see, oh my god, can you see this? The Sun and the Chariot. You are in the right direction, Cancer. You're going to make it happen. So wow, these are the messages I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.